In today's video, we will be sharing with you this delicious bacon rolls with ground meat recipe. Welcome to Tasty and Quick Recipes. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notifications if you enjoy this video. For this recipe, you will need 1 pound of ground beef, 2 slices of bread cubed and soaked in water, 1 pack of bacon, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 tablespoon of paprika, 2 garlic cloves shredded, 2 eggs, and 3 green onions diced. We're going to start by squeezing all the water out of the bread and placing it into the ground beef. Next, add in the eggs. Add the green onions. Season with the salt, pepper, paprika, and the garlic. Knead everything together with your hands until it's completely combined. Take a slice of bacon and lay it on a flat surface. Take a small amount of the meat mixture in your hands and shape it into a small log shape. We're going to roll this in the bacon. Place this bacon roll into a baking pan. Bake this in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Our bacon rolls with ground meat are complete, and now you can plate and serve. We hope you enjoy.